Hey, hi everyone, welcome back. So, guys, as part of this particular session, let us see how exactly we can simulate our execution on a particular mobile device. Any mobile device, how exactly we can simulate it. See, basically, the execution simulation would be configured as part of the projects, right? So, here, consider that. So, this is what your project is. So, that we have already commented earlier. Let me uncomment it. And as part of these devices, I'm just pressing a control space. All the devices are being populated, among which I'm picking the Galaxy Note 3. Okay, Galaxy Note 3 save. Okay, let me pull my terminal, and prior to that, I'm marking this test as an only. So I just want to execute only this particular test itself. Okay, perfectly all right. Let me pull my terminal and let me try to run this program and check it out. So the script is being launched. Okay, the script is being launched. And if you look at it, basically, this is the mobile device that it got a rendered. Okay, this is the mobile device that it got a rendered, guys. So here, if you look at it, whatever the mobile phone that you have specified the simulator, it got open. And when you perform this step over, those actions are being performed on that particular mobile. Perfectly all right. That's a simple program that it executed successfully. Then immediately a kind of a question that comes in our mind. Surendra, consider that there are certain mobile applications which has only mobile specific locators which are not there in a web. How can I create a customized test script for that? See, the simple point for that particular one is we can pass the test info here for that. Okay, we can pass the test info here. If the test info, okay, if the test info dot a project and that particular name is equal to Surendra1234. If your project name is Surendra1234, perform those click operations related to your mobile device. Okay, perform those click operations specific to our mobile device. So this is the way how exactly we can configure it. And additionally here, not only the Galaxy Note 3, consider that I just removed this Galaxy Note 3 and let me try to run it on any other device. Okay, so here what I'm picking it up right now is let me go for iPhone 13 Pro. Okay, this is what the device that I am targeting for, which is an iPhone 13 Pro, and the project that it is a Surendra 1234 itself. Okay, let me try to run this particular script and check it out. See here, you will be checking out. See, this is the iPhone 13 12 that we have configured, and it's been executing on that particular program. Perfectly all right. See, guys, not only we can specify. Okay, not only we can specify this project specific devices configuration, we can also specify the environmental specific chunks like a URL, the application based URL, and all those things that anyways we will be seeing as part of the upcoming sessions. But for now, this is the way how exactly we can execute our test script on a device. Okay, perfectly all right. See you again in the next session. Thank you. Bye.